Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, The Life Science Educator. Today we are going to discuss about movements in plants. Movements in plants are of two main types. They are tropic movements and nastic movements. Tropic movements are directional movements towards or away from the stimulus, and it depends on growth. They are of different types like phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism and hydrotropism. So phototropism is the movement of plants in response to light. If it is towards light, it is called positive phototropism. Example, bending of shoots towards light. If it is away from light, it is called negative phototropism. Example, bending of roots away from light. And the next one is geotropism. Geotropism is the movement of plants in response to gravity. If it is towards gravity, it is called as positive geotropism. Example, downward growth of roots. And if it is away from gravity, it is called as negative geotropism. Example, upward growth of shoots. Here you can see the example of both phototropism and geotropism. Here you can see the shoots are growing towards the light, that is positive phototropism, and negative geotropism, and the shoots are growing towards gravity, which is the positive geotropism and negative phototropism. And the next one is chemotropism. Chemotropism is the movement of plants in response to chemical stimuli. Example, growth of pollen tube towards the ovule. In the process of pollination, when the pollen grains reach the stigma of the flower, the ovary releases chemical signals and this pollen grains produces the pollen tube, and this pollen tube follows the chemical signals and reaches the ovary and fertilizes the egg cell. So this is known as chemotropism. And the next one is hydrotropism. Hydrotropism is the movement of plants in response to water. For example, roots of a plant growing towards water. Here you can see that the roots of a plant are growing towards water. And the next one is Nastic movements. Nastic movements are non-directional movements which are neither towards nor away from the stimulus, and it does not depend on growth. Example, if we touch the leaves of touch-me-not plant, its leaves fold up and droops down immediately due to the change in the amount of water in the leaves. Here you can see the touch-me-not plant. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, keep learning. Bye bye.